Hello and welcome to day 2 of 12 Days of Christmas 2020. Today we will be showcasing a newish template with the focus on menu items and gallery. As you see, we are now on one of the existing templates with Web for Actors. When I toggle between the two pages, you see that everything loads pretty fast. But there's a downside to this. If you observe the address bar, you'll see that the URL changes with a hashtag. Unfortunately, search engines don't see that as a separate page, so we've set out to make that change in the template. If you, if you switch over to the admin page, you'll be able to see this design in the admin twice, the original version and the newer upgraded version here. When we select the newer version and switch back to the website, reload it, you can see instantly that there are definitely changes that have happened already, and it's mainly in the menu. I will explain it shortly. But first, let me toggle to a profile page, and as you can see, there was an action happening here, meaning the browser was actually reloading and loading a new page. Search engines will appreciate this change on your website because now they can see two different tabs. They can see that there's a home page and they can see that there's a profile page. This is definitely an improvement on the template. Now let's switch over to the portfolio. You might be already familiar with this layout, which shows all the tabs on top for selecting and 4-column layout of the photos that are approximately the same in size. We decided to give it a little bit more functionality, so we've gone ahead and changed it, and you can control your changes here. For instance, we can change the number of columns, and now we have 2 columns, and we can also retain the original proportions of the image. So if your image was a headshot in the vertical layout, then now it will be shown as such. In addition to that, we've gone ahead and added menu sections that are more controllable. For instance, you can drag in your real page right after the profile page, or maybe perhaps right after the portfolio, and if you reload the page, you will see the real page right after the portfolio. Not only that, the real section has been removed from here. Just as we have headshot section here, we can do the same thing with the headshots. If I reload the page, the headshots tab is gone from here and now in here. Now you might ask, is this only available for headshots and reels? No. We can now add custom tabs for all of the portfolios. For instance, let's go into Gallery and Photo Management, and now you can manage categories. If you haven't added any categories yet, you can do so here as well. I have already created 2 categories, one called blue bags, with the headshots with the blue background, and outside, 2 photos that are outside. For instance, if I want to convert outside into a tab in the main menu, I can go into Menu, Manage Categories, and then in here, for outside, I can toggle this section here. It will convert it to a menu item. So I will go ahead and click yes. And if I reload the page, once again, outside is gone from here, but it's not appearing in the menu. So for that, we need to go back and figure out where do we want to place it in the menu. So we will go back to menu sections and drag in outside, which is the photo page here, into wherever we want it on the page. So let's put it right after portfolio. Reload the page, and here it is with 2 photos. You might have seen some other changes on the website as well, such as QR code, which can also be disabled in the same section as the portfolio settings. But other than that, I just wanted to make sure that I cover all the portfolio section items that we've updated, because we will be applying that to all of our templates. We started with this template just as an example, but over the next few weeks, all of the templates will have this set up and you'll be able to add more control to your website. On behalf of Web for Actors team, I would like to wish everyone happy holidays and a happy new year.